Hi Crazy Crafters and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be continuing our garden theme by making decorative jar vases. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are decorative stones, an empty clean jar, decorative tapes, and scissors. What you'll start with is your jar. You can use any shape that you like. You can use something interesting, or I'm just going to do a straight one for now for an example. And pick any colors of washi tape. You can use one color. I'm going to use two different patterns of tapes. And we're just going to start it. I'll find the back of my jar has a little bit of printing on it, so I'm going to use that as the back because I don't want that to show in the front. So I'm just going to start my tape on the back, and I'm just going to go around with it and then come back to the back where it meets. I'm going to cut that off. And then I'm going to take my other one and I'm going to do a line above it and a line below. Again, I'm just going to start it in the back and go all the way around until it meets. Cut that off. And smooth out the edges. And then I'll do one up here. And you can do these straight around the jar like this. You can do stripes up and down. There are many different things you can do. What's nice about this tape too, if you don't do it evenly like I did, then you can easily just kind of take it off and reposition it. And again, I'm just going to cut that and smooth that out. So that's going to be my back. And then I'm going to fill it with these decorative stones that I have. You could use marbles. You can use natural stones, anything. These were just pretty colors that I had, and they will kind of match with my tape that I used. So I'm going to fill the jar maybe about halfway full. And there's that jar. And then just to show you, I did this one ahead of time, but you can get creative with the different types of jars. This is a makeup jar that I emptied and cleaned, and then I did the diagonal stripes on it, and then I was able to find my mixture had little marbles in it, and I was able to fit those in this jar. So this is just another cute design that you can do.
And that is how you make a decorative jar vase. These are perfect for a cute container and for a flower. If you like this craft, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks Crazy Crafters for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!